Do you want to remove your MetaQuest 3 head strap because you want to clean it, or attach a new one? It's super easy. So grab your MetaQuest 3 headset, and if you look at the place where this strap attaches, you can see there's a seam all around it. And you can already see it getting separated. So, when we detach this strap, this whole thing will come off. And to detach it without putting pressure on the headset, place your thumb about an inch away from the end, like this. Then place your index finger on the plastic that's sticking out. Now just pull with your index finger, and the strap will come off just like that. Now let's turn it to the other side, and follow the same process. Voila! Now after you have snapped off these two parts, you'll also need to unloop the overhead strap. Undo it first. And now we will pull until it reaches this spiky part. Then you can wiggle it inside a bit and pull. There you go. Now the whole wrist strap is detached. And as there's no electrical component on the head strap, you can clean it all you want and then reattach it. And to put it back on correctly, first of all make sure that it's the right side. So match the headphone jack or the Type-C port. Then first align the bottom part. After that, press on the other side. Just like this, it will snap back on. Do the same on the other side. And now we will reloop the overhead strap. Just push it firmly, and it will loop itself back out. Now just pull on it, and your strap is back on. And that's how simple it is. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.